Today, I want to talk cows. First off, cows are huge, like 900 pounds of huge. Second, if you don't know, cows have to be pregnant and give birth to produce milk. Milk production is dependent on hormones like estrogen. During this time, cows are swamped with estrogen. Not too much for cows, but way too much for humans. That huge amount of estrogen shows up in our dairy products. Human cancer cells love estrogen. It acts as a fertilizer and helps them grow. It just makes sense. If you want to fight cancer and win, dairy's got to go. I'd like to show you how to make super easy, calcium-rich hemp seed milk. So let's get at it. Okie dokie. Got my hemp seeds. I'm going to take and put 3 tablespoons in the Vitamix blender. 1, 2, 3. That's all there is to that. You're going to be so blown away how easy this is. Then we're just going to take and put my cup of water in. I've got a cup of water, in it goes. I'm going to put the top on really secure because you know the Vitamix goes 240 miles an hour, so we don't want any accidents. I've got it on number 8, and I've got it on variable, and I'm going to start it, and then I'm going to turn it up to high. So here we go, turning on. Okay, this might shock you, but I just made hemp seed milk. That's how easy it is. 3 tablespoons of hemp seeds and 1 cup of water, and bingo, you've got your milk. So now I'd like to make a little drink out of it with some raspberries. So let's see, I've got some nice maple syrup right here. I'm going to put in 2 tablespoons. 1, 2. Yum, 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 yum. Oh my God, this is so good. Okay. Then I'm going to put in just a little bit of vanilla, some nice vanilla. Just a little bit, just a little bit. We don't want to overwhelm it. And in it goes. And then I got some nice red raspberries. I've used frozen, but if you can get fresh, they're the best, right? It's always best to get fresh, but you can't get them all year round. Put those in there. And I'm going to put the top back on super snug. And I'm going to give it a good hit here. Okay, then I want to taste it. Here we go. Top off. Get it in my glass and give it a little taste. Oh my goodness, that's so good. That was so good. It tastes so fresh, so clean, and it's just amazing. So I'm going to take another sip. Okay. So if you enjoyed this video, I hope that you'll subscribe and push like, and so that I can bring you more videos because I look forward to you joining me. Thank you.